Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Reggae singer Tara Strident, a host of his friends, went to bat for peace at the annual staging of his Let Live Music Live concert. The concert was staged under the theme this year, Let Peace Reign, a musical gift of reggae, dancehall and rocksteady. We have the highlights. Take a look.
I know party. Look what the politician them do to Gandhi. Look what the politician them do to Jim. Him son prison record and look what they do to him. Did you hear that? Sir.
And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.